This Excel Sales Analytics Report and Sales Trends Report will help you improve sales performance. Define your settings. Enter budget data. Regularly enter or import actual sales data. Sales Analytics Report allows you to monitor sales volume, sales revenue, cost of goods, profit and profit margin, actual versus previous year variance analysis, budget versus actual variance analysis, forecast versus actual variance analysis, based on average weighted annual growth rate. Analysis are by division, product category, subcategory, and by product. Actual sales revenue increased by 12% compared to past year. They exceeds budget by 8.6%. Company earned $466,000 more than planned. 2025 sales revenue will increase by $145,000. Online sales are the biggest source of revenue. They increased by 13% this year. Retail store 3 sales decreased by 5%. It did not reach target sales. Its revenue is 10% lower than budget. 2025 sales revenue forecast shows that online revenue will increase by more than $114,000, while store 2 revenues will decrease. The cost of computers represents more than 80% of the total cost of goods sold. They increased by nearly $578,000 this year. They were 7% greater than budget. Costs of software decreased by 21%. They were 0.3% lower than budget. 2025 cost of goods forecast shows that software costs will continue to decrease. Computers are the most profitable products. Gaming computers sales represent more than 50% of computers sales profit. But desktop computers are the most profitable computers. Their profit margin is 16.6%. Gaming computers profit increased by 24%. It was also greater than budget. Processors sales profit exceeds budget by 60%. It will exceed $44,000 next year. Processor i7 is the most sold processor. Company sold 70 units more than past year, and 184 more than target. Forecast shows that company will sell 2 processors less in 2025. All-in-one i5 desktop sales are the same as past year. Company reached 100% of sales budget for mini tower workstations. Sales Trends Report allows you to visualize sales growth stats. On average, sales increase by 1% each month and 10.7% each year. This table shows month-over-month sales growth. This compares monthly sales to past year sales. This one compares monthly sales to budget sales. Here you can see how the company monthly sales would grow, based on average weighted annual growth rate. This chart shows 2024 month-over-month sales, compared to past year, and compared to budget. It also shows monthly sales forecasts for 2025. You can track trend of sales volume, revenue, cost of goods, and profit. 2024 sales exceeded budget by more than 8%. They increased by 29% compared to 2021. But the company achieved better results in 2022. However, it can expect a 2.5% growth in sales for next year. Here are month-over-month sales trends, by division, product category, subcategory, and by product. 5-year sales trends, and actual sales versus past 4 years.